Hello everyone. Good afternoon and good day to you. In this video, I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a first-generation Honda Pilot 2003 model. This is the new air filter. Here is the part number. Tools needed for this project are an 8mm ratcheting driver and a Phillips screwdriver. You also need a new air filter. Before continuing further, please subscribe. It will help to promote useful content and you will get notified of new content. Cabin air filter is located in the glove box. It is held by one screw and two 8mm bolts on each side of the glove box. Additionally, there are two latches on both sides that can be pulled by hand. To open the latch, just lift and tilt. It will come out. These extra cables are from the stereo system for USB and audio in. Here is the air filter housing. To remove this, the metal bar needs to be tilted down. If you have never changed the filter on the vehicle, there is a plastic that covers the metal bar. Don't know why they installed the plastic and blocked the filter. After removing the filter, you can see all the dirt and debris inside. We'll clean all of that. Finally, after cleaning the compartment, install the new filter. Look out for the airflow direction. Close the cover and put the screws back. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.